The families of Alhaji Mai Aliyu Usman and Honorable Kaka Adam Mustafa cordially invite families, friends and well wishers to attend the wedding fatia of their children, Abubakar Mai Aliyu and Fatima Kaka Adam Mustafa. Scheduled to take place as follows. Date 19 December 2020. Time 10 a.m. prompt. Venue House number 3, Polo Mulekwatas, Maiduguri, Borno State. Reception number 6, Shehu Sandaki Arimi, Crescent Old GRA, Maiduguri, Borno State. Dinner Thursday 17 December 2020. Venue White Arena. Time 5 p.m. Wushe Friday 18 December 2020. Venue number 3, Polo Mulekwatas at Honorable Kaka Adam Mustafa Resident, Maiduguri, Borno State. Time 7:30 p.m. Come one, come all. This message is brought to you by MC Enyarabawa.